in our countdown, the most famous Roman of them all, at number 4. All hail, Julius Caesar. General, brilliant politician. Born in 100 BC, Caesar created a new chapter in Roman history. He made his name conquering Gaul, what is now France, in the first of many brilliant campaigns that would give him a reputation as one of Rome's all-time great leaders. But this infamy came at a bloody cost.
Caesar himself claimed that he killed 1 million Gauls and enslaved another 1 million.
Caesar nearly doubled the size of the Roman Empire, and under him the focus was pushing into northern Europe, away from the heartland of the Mediterranean world.
His enemies feared him, but to his men he was a hero. He was never known to have lost a battle.
Julius Caesar has 3 qualities that makes him absolutely unstoppable. 1, he fights on the front line with his soldiers so they respect him. 2, he never gives up. And 3, he has the most capable armies in the world, and he knows exactly how to exploit them.
He's bold and audacious and thinking the unthinkable.
But Caesar had political enemies. The Roman Senate ordered him to step down from his command and return to Rome. They were afraid of his power. He went, but took his army.
And when he marched into Rome, people flocked to him. They treated him like a returning god.
With the support of the people behind him, he took over leadership of the city. He was made dictator for life, giving him extra powers, which he used to rule like a king.
He didn't get into his position by being born into it like many other leaders on the list. He won it through determination, through his dynamic personality.
His impact on Rome was immense. He built magnificent new buildings and temples. He taxed the rich and helped the poor. He was responsible for the rise of the Roman Empire.
Julius Caesar had become the new state. The Roman Republic was no more. It had been replaced by one total dictator.
At the height of its empire, Rome is thought to have been the largest city on the planet, with a population of more than 1 million. But Caesar's endless ambition created enemies. He was eventually killed by his own men on the floor of the Senate. The legacy of his dictatorship, Roman culture spreading further than ever before. We still live by some of Caesar's principles. The 365-day calendar and many of Europe's laws today are based on those introduced by Caesar himself.
The thing about Caesar is that he had the greatest historical impact of any Roman leader ever.
While Julius Caesar fought for domination of Europe, on the